Are you ready to supercharge your business growth and hit revenue goals faster than ever before? Business.com and Silver Lining have teamed up to bring you an exclusive series of 3 business bootcamps designed to transform your mindset and boost your success. Whether you're looking to form new habits to drive results, find new customers, or create a 12-month revenue action plan, we've got a workshop for you. Each workshop is free, but valued at $299, and within just 1 hour, you'll walk away with a customized, actionable plan to help you succeed. Now the best part, you can attend 1, 2, or all 3 of the workshops. These bootcamps are based on proven behavior change science designed to help you form the habits that lead to sustainable revenue growth. Each 1-hour bootcamp will be offered on 3 different days so you can conveniently fit them into your schedule. Bootcamp 1, you have the choice of attending on October 8th, 15th, or 22nd. In this 1-hour workshop, we'll show you 3 key habits that will help you hit any goal you set. You can attend Bootcamp 2 on October 9th, 16th, or 23rd, and in just 1 hour, you'll learn how to find new customers without spending tons of time or money. And on October 10th, 17th, or 24th, Bootcamp 3 will guide you through building a 1-year action plan that will keep your revenue growth on track. These bootcamps are all about action. No fluff, just proven strategies to help you grow your business. Now, spots are limited, so don't miss out. Sign up by clicking the link in the description below, and we can't wait to see you there.